Are wheel spacers safe on your Toyota GR Corolla? Quality Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Toyota GR Corolla hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers allow the wheels to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum change of vibration. Quality Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage half-century Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. The BONOSS multi-stage half-century Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. They triple impact shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that protrude on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators, which are manually enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and road safety. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.